Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys watched last week's video, you saw how I did a deep cleanse detox of my scalp with these braids in, because I've had them in for a few weeks now and I wanted to make sure my scalp is not accumulating a lot of buildups, make sure that they were cleansed and I had fresh scalp to work with. So today I'm going to show you guys two products that I use in my scalp to help keep it healthy and moisturize and promote growth. So what I'm going to use is aloe vera gel, which is from my aloe vera plant. I will cut, blend, strain, and make this. Usually I'll use 2 medium leaves, which end up giving me a little bit over 2 ounces, which is great. And then I use my oil mix, and this is just my growth oil. If you guys go on my channel, you will see how I make that. And all I'm going to do, guys, is apply it on my scalp. And the first thing I'm going to do is apply the aloe vera gel to add moisture, because guys, you know you have to moisturize your hair with some water-based product before you put any kind of oil or butter on it. All I do is I go all over my scalp. I make sure I add that, massage it in, and make sure it is soaked in and ready to go. Now the next thing I do, guys, is I add the oils. I don't have to add a lot of oils because I do this about twice a week or 3 times a week, depending how dry my scalp is getting. So I will go and add the oil again all over my scalp. And the great things about braids, guys, is the fact that it's so easy to add these products in because your hair is already separated, and I just go in and make sure it's added all over my scalp. Now what I will do after that is I will give myself a 5 to 15 minute massage, guys, to make sure everything is in there, it's penetrated, it's all over my hair, it's not just sitting on top, that it went in and moisturized my entire scalp. And that's all I do, guys. It's very easy and quick. It just takes a few minutes, about 20 minutes at a time. And remember, I don't do this every day. This is a great way to not only keep your scalp healthy when you have braids in, but to also promote growth. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, guys, of course subscribe to my channel and click that little notification button so you'll know when I have new videos up. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, and leave all of your comments down below, and don't forget to go over and watch my last video.